Standard 5.1, we're asked for the domain, and the vertical asymptote is x equals 10. So it's all numbers smaller than 10 in union with all numbers bigger than 10. The vertical asymptote on number 2 is x equals 3 because it's crossing this x-axis at 3. Its domain will be negative infinity to almost 3. The number's smaller, and then the number's bigger than 3. The vertical asymptote makes the denominator equal 0. So if I set the denominator equal to 0 and solve by adding 3 to both sides, and then dividing by 3, I get x equals 1 is the vertical asymptote. And then number 4, when I set this denominator equals 0, I'm going to have to factor. I need a number that multiplies to be negative 8, yet adds a pair of numbers that add to be negative 2. So that's negative 4 and positive 2, and of course x times x is x squared. So therefore, if x equals 4 or x equals negative 2, the denominator will be 0, and therefore these are my vertical asymptotes. Since there are 2, and if I put them in order, negative 2 would be first. Since there are 2, we have a domain of negative infinity to negative 2. So think of a number line. You got negative 2, then you got 4. So we're smaller than 2, then we're between negative 2 and 4, and then we're bigger than 4. Squeeze that in there. That's 5.1.